Hey everybody, this is Patrick from Rocky Mountain Style. Been a while since I've posted up a video, but have a pretty cool one for you today, I think. I guess we'll find out. Unboxing some messenger bags from Saddleback Leather. Saddleback Leather Co. Really well thought of, highly reputed company that makes leather products that are made to last 100 years or longer. Pass them down to your grandkids kind of products. So, all right. Yeah, okay, cool. So yeah, today we've got the thin front pocket leather briefcase and the front pocket weatherproof canvas messenger bag. So we have two to show off today, which is pretty awesome. To be honest, so when I reached out to see if they'd want to do something, I only was expecting one item after they agreed, but I got two. So very cool. All right, so bags are individually wrapped in plastic for a little bit of added protection in the box, so that's nice. First impression is that it feels thick, it feels heavy and substantial, which is exactly what you want in a messenger bag. But yeah, big fan of messenger bags. I wear them to the office every time I go. I carry my laptop, I carry, snacks, whatever lunch I have. I don't usually take a huge lunch to work, so everything fits. If I need my day planner, fit an umbrella, a small umbrella in the bottom, something like that. So I think they're just a lot cooler than backpacks. There are some cool backpacks out there, but, in the DoD contracting government space that I'm in, most everyone wears these black, not Case Logic, but, Dell backpacks or whatever they are for, made for laptops, and they just look dorky. So I figure these are a lot cooler. Yeah, this one has a lot of extra D-rings on it so that you can take the strap and move it around. Smells great. Actually, maybe some of the best smelling leather I've ever smelled. That's really nice. Wow. What was I talking about? D-rings. All right, so let's see if we have the strap in the bag. Yeah, so this is a nice and heavy duty buckle. No kidding. All right. All right, so we have, oh cool, we have a little keychain that comes on sort of like a lanyard that is riveted inside. So obviously if you want to just attach your keys so you can find them real quick, that's a very nice touch. Actually, looking at the pictures and looking at the description, I didn't know that was part of it, so that's cool. You can see here the handle is attached to an extra piece. It's obviously that's going to be significantly stronger than if this was just stitched to the leather, like some people may be. So nice construction method there. We're packed filled with stuff here so that the bag doesn't get bent up, so that's a nice touch, obviously. Okay, cool. Let's get all of that out. All right, let's go ahead and look down in there. So this is 15 by 11 by 3 or 4, something like that. I'll put the dimensions up on the screen, but you can see there it's nicely lined on the inside. So they actually use a pigskin lining on the inside. So you actually have, 2 layers of leather, much thicker on the outside, obviously thinner on the inside, but it's, pretty soft. I think they tumble the leather, which gives it that softness, especially on the inside. But you've got some pockets right here, down there, that you can put things in on both sides. And you've got this big pocket, obviously, on the inside. Hopefully my laptop fits in there. Here's your interior pockets. Good size. You can see my whole hand fits in there nice and easy. Just to give you an idea. I don't have the biggest hands, but we're not going to go there. And then, oh, okay. Yeah, I hadn't noticed this either. Oh, they call this either a pen or a cigar pocket, but that's pretty neat. You can find something interesting to put in there, and then covered up by that. So yeah, first impressions, very impressed. Oh, I like this copper detail here on those rivets. All of the other hardware looks to be like a stainless steel sort of nickel. I guess that's not true. You've got copper up here, and then you've got black or really dark antiqued bronze. Hard for me to tell. That looks more like an antiqued bronze there on the front. That's a good choice here, though. If it was a different color, it would probably stand out too much. Okay, so all right, so I didn't know exactly what I'd be talking about, but if you're still here looking, I appreciate it. Let us take a look at the strap. So yeah, the strap feels like an absolute animal. No pun intended. All right, so you've got double shoulder straps. That's so that you can, and I don't know how to do it, so I won't do it right now, but you can loop this somehow using these different rings and sort of turn it into a backpack. So I'll probably try that out just for fun, but I'll be using it, you know, just as a messenger bag on a daily basis. So you've got, here we go. Yeah, so you can see you've got multiple D-rings over here for all the different configurations, but odds are I'm just going to have mine right there, like that. Okay, cool. All right, let us check the other one out. Clean this up real quick and we'll cut to the other one. All right, so this one is the, as you can see here, 5-pocket briefcase, moss green, pebble dark coffee. So this is a waxed canvas, and it is, so I've got a waxed canvas bag from Thursday that I bought when they came out with those, did a video on it. If you're in the market for waxed canvas bags, check that out. If you want a cheaper option, wow, that's cool. So right out of the box, this thing looks, I don't want to use the word used, patinaed. It looks rugged. It looks like, it's already seen some action, which I think is neat. Huge piece of leather on the back, which is nice. Something I learned from the Thursday bag that I was just talking about. Wax canvas, when you're wearing it, like, put on your strap and you're wearing it cross body, this part will rub against your hip, or your butt or wherever, depending on how you're doing it. And you can actually rub the wax off on the lighter colored pants, and then it really threw me off the first time. I'm like, where did that come from? And then you'll have a dry spot worn wherever it rubs. So that will give alleviation to both of those issues, and then you'll get to see the leather wear, which is pretty cool. All right, really, really beefy connectors. Look at that. So you've got leather around waxed canvas, stitched on, and then there's this extra piece here, which is then also stitched on. Quite impressive. Got a handle up here, which is cool. It's got some, this is smart design. It can lay flat, and then if you want to go like this, that stops it there, but lays flat when you don't want it to be standing up. I like that. I've actually never seen that before. Maybe that's common on other bags, but I've had several bags from several brands, never seen that. I like it being able to lay flat when you're not using it. So, all right. Oh, okay. This is actually a pocket in the back. I didn't realize that until just now. So, nice little pocket to put, stuff you want easy access to. All right. Great first impression. Let us look at this closure here. So this comes out. That's interesting. Yeah, never seen anything like that either. So you can have it like that, and then you put this piece of leather down through. That's really cool. And then it's taut. Wow. Okay. Yeah, that's neat. I really like that. All right, on the inside, straight away, you see more reinforcement. That's going to be a recurring theme with Saddleback, based on what I've talked to people about and based on what I've looked at. This is the first time I've ever had any Saddleback product in hand. Really impressed with the build quality. All these reinforcements you can see here, not just a rivet through the canvas. There's an extra piece of leather, which is going to make that significantly stronger. Inside, of course, laptop case. Here's our strap. Looks like a pretty thick core of wax canvas with leather stitched on both sides. Pretty cool. Little padded, very lightly padded, actually, pretty decently padded shoulder strap there. Looks pretty good. And of course, these super beefy attachment points here. All right, here's a look down in the bottom. Looks, right, so there's sort of a leather lining. It's a little bit kind of loose down there. If you can see. Yeah, it's like, this piece sticking up right here is a piece of the bottom that should be underneath the lining that's on the front. Let's see if we can get it to lay down. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, it was just pulled out a little bit. No big deal. So if you buy one and see that, doesn't look like it's any cause for concern. But yeah, okay. So pretty basic interior. There aren't any extra pockets like on the leather one before. It's just one big pocket. Yeah, and I'll have to ask if that's normal. But yeah, this piece of leather here is sticking out. Not sure if it was maybe a stitch was missed or something, but yeah, we'll have to ask about. Oh wait, hang on. All right, I have no idea what's going on here. There's a handle down there, and so I'm pulling on it. So you can see there's the lining for the inside of the bag, but there's this handle on the bottom. Almost as if this is supposed to be able to, if this is intended, I am at a loss because I had no idea about this. Why is there a handle at the bottom? I guess, yeah, I don't know, guys. Gonna have to, and then now you stuff the lining back in, but yeah, anyways, I'll put some text up here. I'm probably just being ignorant. Yeah, really like these closures. Never seen anything like that. This is the highlight for me. Those things are really cool. About the same size pocket. You've got the same, pen and or cigar case here. So I think this is getting long enough. I'm gonna put the straps on and I'll show you what these look like when they're slung over my shoulder. But other than that, if you have any questions, please let me know. And have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching.